Most luxury vehicles are fragile, but the Apex Nomad is built like a tank in a tuxedo. Its chassis is a reinforced titanium alloy exoskeleton that provides immense rigidity while keeping the weight low for better efficiency. The suspension system is proactive, using AI-driven cameras to scan the road ahead and adjust the dampening in milliseconds. This is how a vehicle this large can transition from the smooth asphalt of an interstate to the uneven terrain of a mountain pass without the passengers ever feeling a vibration. The engine isn't just about speed, it's about endurance. It's designed to run for thousands of miles with minimal maintenance, utilizing a hybrid hydrogen system that makes it as eco-friendly as it is powerful. People will see you coming from a mile away, not just because of the striking design, but because of the sheer presence this machine commands. It's the ultimate statement of freedom, the ability to go anywhere without ever leaving the lap of luxury behind. This isn't just a vehicle for transportation, it's a vehicle for memories. Think about the most exclusive picnic you can imagine. You drive to a remote valley where no hotel exists, you deploy the silent electric awnings, and you enjoy a gourmet meal while the world passes by outside your glass walls. But let's not just be passengers. Let's talk about the master of this machine, the pilot. Forget a driver's seat. This is a command console. Imagine a captain's chair upholstered not in traditional leather, but in a proprietary, space-age mesh fabric that is both incredibly soft and impossibly durable. It's a material designed for those who spend months on the road, providing ergonomic support that makes a cross-country drive feel like a spa session. Your hands rest on a high-tech, race-inspired steering system with integrated haptic feedback. The first thing that captures your breath is the sheer amount of glass. These aren't just windows. They are structural smart glass panels that can tint automatically to provide privacy or crystal-clear views of the world outside. The main living area is anchored by a lounge that features hand-stitched Italian leather sofas, arranged perfectly to overlook the passing landscape. Every inch of the interior has been optimized for the ultra-luxury lifestyle. The flooring is a lightweight composite that mimics the warmth of white oak, but offers the durability needed for cross-country travel. The kitchen, if you can even call it that, is a minimalist dream, equipped with hidden induction surfaces and high-end appliances that disappear into the cabinetry when not in use. It's a space designed for someone who refuses to compromise, someone who wants the comfort of a Manhattan penthouse even when they are parked in the middle of a desert. Now, let's talk about the crown jewel of this motorhome, the upper deck. While others might settle for a simple roof rack, the Apex Nomad offers an open-air sanctuary. There is no swimming pool here because this space is dedicated to something far more intimate. A secondary master bed situated right under the stars, flanked by lush, integrated greenery that brings a touch of nature to the high-tech aesthetic. Imagine parking on a cliffside in Big Sur, climbing up to the deck, and falling asleep to the sound of the ocean with nothing but the sky above you. Back downstairs, the primary master suite is a masterclass in ergonomics. The bed is positioned centrally, surrounded by floor-to-ceiling glass, making it feel like you are floating through the scenery. It's equipped with active suspension technology, meaning even if the road gets a bit bumpy, the bed remains perfectly level and still, ensuring the best sleep you've ever had on wheels. Discard everything you know about five-star hotels. Forget the limitations of a private jet. Imagine waking up in a king-size suite with 360-degree glass walls, watching the sunrise over the Grand Canyon while moving at 80 miles per hour in absolute silence. This isn't a dream, and it's definitely not your grandfather's RV. This is the 2040 Apex Nomad, a multi-million-dollar masterpiece of engineering that bridges the gap between high-end architecture and brute automotive power. If you've ever wanted to own a piece of the future that can conquer both the Vegas Strip and the rugged trails of the Rockies, you're looking at it. Stay with us, because we're about to dive into a machine that is redefining the very concept of home on the road. When you first lay eyes on this beast, the scale of it hits you like a freight train. It's not just a bus. It's a sculpted aerodynamic marvel finished in a liquid silver coat that seems to glow under the sun. But don't let the sleek lines fool you. Beneath that futuristic shell lies a powertrain that would put most semi-trucks to shame. We are talking about a massive, high-torque quad-motor system delivering upwards of 1,800 horsepower. This isn't just for highway cruising. This machine is designed to handle steep mountain inclines with the grace of a gazelle. Look closely at those tires. These are custom-engineered, heavy-duty treads featuring a unique double-step reinforcement system. Whether it's wet pavement or loose gravel, these wheels bite into the earth, providing unparalleled stability for a vehicle of this size. The steering is feather-light, controlled by a digital drive-by-wire system that makes navigating sharp mountain turns feel as effortless as driving a sports car. This is where raw power meets refined control, ensuring that your journey is as smooth as the glass walls surrounding you. Stepping inside the Apex Nomad is like walking into a modern art gallery in Malibu. What truly separates the 2040 Apex Nomad from any luxury vehicle ever built isn't just the hardware. It's the Nomad OS, a sentient AI integration that acts as your private concierge. This isn't just a voice assistant. It's a predictive system that monitors your vitals, adjusts the cabin's oxygen levels for peak relaxation, and even suggests the most scenic routes based on your mood. Imagine the vehicle sensing a storm 50 miles ahead and automatically adjusting its ride height and tire pressure before you even see a cloud. It manages the entire energy grid of the home, ensuring that while you're focused on the view, the machine is silently optimizing every watt of power. It's like having a dedicated crew of engineers and a world-class butler living inside the walls, all working in perfect harmony to ensure your journey is flawless. One of the biggest headaches of long-term travel is water, but the 2040 Nomad solves this with an onboard atmospheric water generator. Using the humidity in the air, the vehicle can produce up to 10 gallons of purified, mineralized drinking water every single day. No more searching for hookups or carrying heavy tanks. This, combined with a closed-loop waste management system that uses plasma gasification to turn waste into energy, means you can stay off-grid for months, not just days. You are effectively living in a self-sustaining ecosystem that leaves zero footprint on the environment. It's the ultimate to the limitations of modern infrastructure. Subscribe the channel.